Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to install Cash App if it's not available in App Store. So guys, many iPhone users don't have Cash App on their App Store and they don't know how to install Cash App. So today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to download Cash App if it's not available in App Store. First of all, simply you have to tap on your App Store and open your App Store, then tap on your account, again tap on your account. Wait for some seconds. Now tap on your country or region. Again wait for some seconds. Now tap on change country or region. Go back. Sorry. Tap on country change or region. Scroll down and go to United States. Tap on your United States. Tap on agree. Again tap on agree. Wait for some seconds.